Significant figures. Part 1. What is significant figures? The measurement of any physical quantity gives out a number. Suppose measurement of time period of simple pendulum is 02.71 second. If you carefully look at this number, then you will come to know that the information is reliably conveyed by last 3 digits only, and the first digit is unnecessary. So, we can say that there are 3 significant figures in this number. In simple words, the number of figures present in any value which are known with some degree of reliability known as the significant figures. There are some rules for determining significant figures. First, the change of unit does not change the number of significant figures. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose 3.561 meter. This digit has 4 significant figures. Even if we change the unit, that is 356.1 centimeters or 3561 mm, still the number of significant figures will be 4. Rule number 2. All non-zero digits are significant. For example, the number 4587 has 4 significant figures. Rule number 3. All zeros between the non-zero digits are significant. Example, 4.05 has 3 significant figures. Rule number 4. Leading zeros which are present to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. For example, 00054 has 2 significant figures. It is interesting to note that for decimal numbers such as 0.0245, this rule is true because the zeros before the first non-zero digit merely convey the position of decimal point. Thus, the given number has on 3 significant figures. Rule number 5. For a number without decimal point, the trailing zeros are not significant. For example, 65400 has 3 significant figures. Rule number 6. For a number with decimal point, the trailing zeros are significant. For example, 65.400 has 5 significant figures. Again, there may be confusion regarding trailing zeros due to the rule number 5 and 6. In 65.400, the zeros convey some type of precision. That is why it is written as 65.400 and not as 65.4. Rule number 7. To remove the confusion regarding trailing zeros, the best way is to report the measurement in scientific notation, that is, in power of 10. With scientific notation, any number can be expressed as a into 10 to the power b, where a is any number between 1 to 10 and b is the power of 10. B could be positive or negative. It is called the order of magnitude of physical quantity. For example, 0047.20 can be written as 4.720 into 10 to the power 2, where the significant figures are 4, order of magnitude 2. Dear students, with these rules, it is possible to find the significant figures in any number. Now have a look at these numbers and try to find the significant numbers of each. Consider the number 00.002450. This number has 4 significant figures. 0.22000 has 5 significant figures, and so on. So these were the rules for significant figures. We will continue our discussion in next topic.